Hi, my name is RikB. I'm a senior systems engineer for Encore Hollywood, powered by Deluxe. We're a post-production facility, mainly focusing on episodic television, doing shows like Persons of Interest, Hawaii Five-0, Blunt Talk, Gotham, and many more. Some of the services we provide are near-set dailies and finishing work like color correction and editorial, as well as VFX work. How this ties into what we do with what's behind me right now, which is one of our near-set carts, was a way to integrate with production to tie in and move media faster, get the turnaround time for processing the dailies to the client quicker based upon timelines being moved up for show finishing. When we switched over to Thunderbolt, that was a godsend. Thunderbolt has helped improve our workflow, and it's not just Thunderbolt by itself, but it's the peripherals we're able to plug into that Thunderbolt. And that's where Sonnet came into play for us. With the Echo Express 3 and the Thunderbolt dock, we're able to get the connectivity we need through a single Thunderbolt cable. With the Echo Express 3 chassis that we have on the cart behind me, we're able to utilize our existing SAS-based storage because it has PCI expansion. We're able to take that PCI card and plug it right into the chassis, and we're back up and running as if we had an older Mac, which we used to run on the systems that we switched to Thunderbolt. We were able to put in a red Rocket card when we have red material to process. We're also able to add in other PCI cards, like a graphics card, to be able to put stuff up on a plasma or an OLED for the clients to view full screen, 4K. This gives us a lot more flexibility, and it keeps our footprint small, which is what we need to do when we're near set. We don't want to take up too much space from the production. We want to keep a small little area, do our work, stay out of the way. And this works really, really well for us. In addition to the PCI expandability of the Echo Express 3, we're also able to add in the rack mount kit, which gives us the ability to mount our LTO6 drives right in that same 2U space, saving us additional real estate on top. And that works very nicely with our workflow because our clients expect LTO deliverables, and that's how we give it to them. The Thunderbolt dock. It has FireWire 800, eSATA, and USB 3. We still have clients using FireWire 800 drives. And so this helped us from having to get all these other adapters to try and make this work, to have a single box on the desktop that gives those connectivity, as well as the USB 3 and eSATA. We're able to connect through a single Thunderbolt cable. With the Thunderbolt dock, not only does it give us the peripherals that we want to be able to attach to it, but we also get a built-in Blu-ray burner, which we use all the time for our clients for deliverables. And we also are able to add in our own internal storage if we want to. And in our case, we have, because we use that as an additional place to back up our projects, valuable data to us that we need to make sure doesn't get lost. And so that's built right into the dock as a safety for us. We originally started by deploying the Echo 15 Thunderbolt dock on the carts out in the field. But we've had such good success with them in the field that we started moving them into the facility. We had a previous dock that we were using, and it was actually overheating to an extent where we have these Thunderbolt optical cables, and it was burning up the transceivers in the optical cables. We swapped them out with the Echo 15, and they run way cooler, and we have not had a problem with those cables since. Our computers are actually in the machine room, which is anywhere from 10 feet away up to 200 feet away. With the Thunderbolt dock in place, it's as if the computer's there. They've got the Thunderbolt connection there, they've got the FireWire 800, eSATA, USB 3, and the DVD burner. So they don't have to get up and go to the machine room, find the computer they're working on. It's all right there in front of them. It's a great little box, and we love it. We are pretty heavily invested in Sonnet, with over 30 units of each, the Thunderbolt dock and the Echo Express 3R. We've pretty much made Sonnet a staple in this facility. We can rely upon them for support. We can get a hold of their staff anytime we need to. They're pretty quick at responding to us. We have 20 of these carts out in the field, as well as at least 15 more in-house of their products that we can't afford to have them go down. And so with that kind of a relationship, it's been very important to us that we have that open communication, and Sonnet's been able to provide that for us. Sonnet is not only the manufacturer of the products we use, they've become a partner for us.